Stop and smell the roses. Relaxation through floral design. Do you ever feel like you need a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Well, here is a suggestion. Try working with flowers. It is not just about making pretty arrangements. It can actually help you relax and unwind. On March 16 and 17, 2023, a special workshop was organized by the National Parks Board at Takashimaya Square. During the workshop, flower enthusiasts gathered to learn some floral design tips from local expert Keith Lin and other professionals. Mr. Lin, who has won awards for his work both locally and internationally, led a workshop on making flower crowns. Lovely headdresses you might see at special events. Participants shared how working with flowers helps them de-stress. Ms. Ong, who works in banking, finds it a great way to clear her mind from her fast-paced job. Ms. Lim, an occupational therapist, started arranging flowers during the COVID-19 pandemic to bring a bit of nature into her home and to unwind after long work hours. They believe that there is no right or wrong when it comes to floral design. It is all about expressing yourself and enjoying the process. For those worried about being judged for their creations, Ms. Lim believes there is always someone who will appreciate your work. Mr. Lin also shared some essential tips for beginners. He suggested starting with simple tools like wire and scissors and experimenting with different styles like ikebana or Western arrangements. He even recommended checking out floral festivals for inspiration. Have you done any arts or crafts activity before? What did you make? How did you feel when you were doing an arts and crafts activity?
Pico, what do you do when you have free time? I like flying around collecting different leaves. Why do you do that? I like the different patterns and shapes of leaves. Sometimes I would use these leaves to do arts and crafts, making them into different things by imagination. That's so cool! I recently met someone who does art using flowers. Would you like to meet him and ask about his work and inspiration? Yes, Nino. We could also get some leaves along the way and maybe make something after that. Great idea, Pico! To the earth we go! Hello, Mr. Lin. I am really excited to learn more about your hobby that has become your career. Do you remember what hobby that Mr. Lin has? You are right! He is passionate about flower designing. Can you tell me why people are drawn to flower designing?
Hello, Nino. People are drawn to flower designing for various reasons. For some, it's a way to relax and escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Just like how you might enjoy coloring or playing with toys, arranging flowers allows people to express themselves creatively in a calming environment. It is a bit like creating art using nature's color palette.
Did you take the path of floral design for the same reason?
Well, yes, but I have other reasons too. I noticed flowers using bright colors to make people feel happy and hopeful. Also, I hope that my work inspires people to enjoy looking at flowers and enjoy life too. Most importantly, I want to use my designs to encourage people to see life as an exciting journey with lots of opportunities.
That sounds amazing! Can you tell me about your journey to becoming an award-winning floral designer?
I started learning about floral design over 15 years ago and honed my skills through practice and participating in various competitions. I also did research on color therapy and how colors can affect a person's mood. I have won awards at big events, for example, at the World Orchid Conference and the Chelsea Flower Show.
Wow, that is impressive! Why is floral design such a special art form?
Floral design is special because it allows us to connect with nature in a creative and meaningful way. It is not just about arranging flowers, it is about storytelling, emotion, and beauty. Whether it is a simple bouquet or a fancy centerpiece, each arrangement has its own unique beauty. Also, working with flowers makes you feel better and relaxed, lifting your mood and helping you feel peaceful.
Do you have any suggestions for people who would like to learn more about their hobbies?
I think exploring and learning about how your interest works. It could be attending workshops, joining communities, or simply spending time doing it. There is always something new to discover. More importantly, persist in practicing and embrace your creativity.
Do you have any hobbies? What do you enjoy doing? If you could explore a new hobby, what would you like to explore and why?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome adventures with Nino.